So that's one of the things I think in my work I see in children, like teenagers. A lot of teenagers come and, if the parents would say कि इसको नहीं पता, हो सकता है इसको ना पता हो सकता है, but let's hear him or her out.
Right.
Let's try to help them make sense of what they're actually trying to say or what they're experiencing at that moment. That space is not given.
Right.
And when that space is not given, I think it just has such long repercussions in your personality and your ways of communications and your formations of relationships and all of it. Like, aapko pata hi nahi chalta.
I was thinking it's so funny that the work that we end up doing with adults is often an unlearning of that, right? We do a lot of unlearning on relying solely on your cognition and solely on what you've been told to connecting with your body. So, for example, with a client who's coming in and saying, everything has to be perfect, and if I'm not perfect, then I'm terrible. And they're overworking themselves. The work that I would do is, okay, but can you feel that your body is tired, and can you feel that your body is asking for rest? And I think that maybe is how, that disconnection is showing up, that over the years growing up, you are repeatedly asked to disconnect from your feeling. The hurt that you're feeling is not valid. The happiness that you're feeling is not valid. The concern that you have is not valid. And as adults, that creates problems. And then you come to therapy to unlearn that, to go back to that, like you said, that sense-felt experience.
The parents have eyes and they have ears. Best tools to have to form connection.
Right.
Best tools, like nothing like eyes and ears. And touch too, but chalo touch तरह हो सकता है ज़्यादा stretch हो जाए किसी parent के लिए, hug करना या इस तरह प्यार करना. So eyes, you look at the face. Ears, you use what they say. Ask your child how they want to spend the next half an hour with you, what they want to do. Use your eyes, look at their expression, hear their voice, what they're saying, if they're withdrawing, if they're off, if they're saying something, if they're avoiding. Take the lead, use your eyes and your ears to try to connect to see where your child is.
Right.
And then there are many activities. Activities to itni hai ki khatam hi na ho kabhi.
Right.
So that's where you can start.